Find a bird. You ready?
See anything?
Not yet. They'll run. They'll take off, but she'll find them. Find them up.
They can run, but they can't hide. She says there was one in here earlier.
Libby, heel. Libby, heel. Libby, heel. Libby, here. Get over here. Here. Libby, come up. Find a bird. Find a bird. Find them up. Here. Libby, here. Find a bird. Find a bird. Find a bird.
Birdie. Real birdie, boys. Get ready.
Libby.
That was a beautiful chucker.
Pheasant. I mean, chucker. Nice shot.
Big one.
Big one.
Big, yeah, butterball. Good girl.
Oh, that's chucker. هذه حاجة له. Give me that.
Wow. Good girl. She got right to you. She knows who's shooting.
Wow, that's a chucker, huh? هذا حاجة لبلادنا ديك مرتب هذا.
Eurasia.
I thought it was a quail.
That's a big old freaking chucker, ain't it?
Yeah, they're fat, aren't they?
It's a big one, yeah.
All that's on video. That's
I'm gonna have this for
First
dinner.
class
tonight.
video.
Hey, listen to it. Okay, to dinner. Look, when you make your video, can you send me a copy for I put on the TV?
Yeah.
Okay.
Crazy.
No, seriously, you got great shots. That's be great video for a TV show.
I got every shot, every bird calling out.
You ready? Libby?